Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a slick, and I mean slick, red 69 GTO, has hideaway lights, power steering, power disc brakes, and there's a 4-speed shifter sticking up out of the floor between those bucket seats. Visit volocars.com. You can read all the specs there. You can also study over 100 pictures top to bottom, and you'll get the price on this car. But not only this car, we do have a few hundred collector cars. They're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down, join me, let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing is really slick. I just was going around the car, preparing myself, and just touching it. It's like Teflon. So it's not a body off frame restored car, but it's a really good looking car, unabused. It's a nice piece. And again, it's a 4-speed. It's got hideaways. If I were to buy one of these, I'd have to have the hideaways. I think that makes the car. So underneath looked really solid. The floors looked all there and solid, and the inner rockers, everything looked really good. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. The front end components, I can't say is brand new, but they've definitely been replaced. You can see ball joints in that have been redone. The Muncie 4-speed looks clean. It's got a nice dual exhaust with the optional exhaust extension tips. It has the original rear end in the car. Disc brakes up front, they're drum in the back. The body is really nice. This thing is straight, it fits really well. I mean, this gap right here is spot on. This is smooth down here, no bubbles. Metal fender, this gap's real nice. The hood sits a little high. No, I pushed it down, now it's flush, but it fits nice and square too. The rubber bumper fits really nice. I've had them where there's big gaps and they don't fit, and it can be very expensive getting one of these bumpers aligned. But this one fits really well. I don't see any damage. There's a hairline crack and a tiny nick right here at the peak. The rest of it's all real nice. Hairline crack right here because it is rubber. The grills look to be original. The gray is a little bit worn, but overall they're in good shape. This side's just as nice. Yep, hood pushes down a little bit. Correct antenna. Emblem looks new. The gap is just as nice as the other side. This is all smooth, no bubbles. This thing is like laser beam straight. This thing is like red chrome. The body and paint, I'm actually very impressed with. The white convertible top is new. We just had it installed. It's been on this car for about a week. Convertible top boot is new. There is hairline crack right here. All the convertibles get that. They flex right here. It's got it on both sides. The bumper's the original, so it's shiny. You get up on it, there's some freckling in the chrome. There's some mild pitting in the taillight, so it's original, but still very good. Trunk fits nice and square. Has Rally 2 wheels, they're 15-inch. Got the right center caps, even the right lug nuts. BF Goodrich tires are in excellent shape. They look to be a little fatter in back. Actually, all 4 of them are nice and meaty. Door handle's very good. Has a remote mirror. It's real shiny. Windshield is original. It's pretty clear. There is a rub mark right here. The wiper must have been rubbing that. Let's pop the hood open for you. The engine compartment's clean and respectable. It's not anything over the top as far as show quality, although they did add some chrome. This piece here was chromed. The top of the air cleaner lid, the valve covers are chrome, the alternator's chrome. It does have power steering, power brakes. It's a 400 Pontiac motor. The rest of it is spray painted black, so it's neat, tidy, proper. It's got the clutch fan. The interior is not new, but it's not abused. It's not beat up. The door panels have probably been replaced. The door panels are real straight, real nice. The armrests are real nice. Door jambs are painted slick. New weather strips. Sill plates look new. All new seat belts front and back. I think the back seat's original. There's not a mark or a tear on it. It just has a little patina. Like if you got in here and scrubbed it, you'd make it look new. The rear panel has a little tear in it. Inside the trunk is clean. I did look up in here. They spliced the quarters right here, new metal, but it's got a gray spatter paint. All this is painted red, new decal, new weather strip. That's got a car cover thrown in. Right here is what I was talking about. This rear panel right on the corner is tattered a little bit. Dash pad is nice. It fits real nice. There's a little bit bigger than a hairline crack right on top. A couple little minor wrinkles in the corner, but overall the dash pad's nice. It has the factory rally gauge cluster. It has the tachometer. It has a tilt column. It has a center console. Also has a retro stereo in the factory hole. It looks original, but it's actually a modern stereo with an auxiliary plug. It has two Kenwood round speakers back here. I noticed the interior lights work. Headrests look good. This rubber is new. The vents are original, so the chrome is a little yellowed on the chrome. So, like I said, not brand new, but man, this is a slick looking car. 4-speed, gauges, hideaway lights, power steering, power brakes. It's got a lot going for it. That's got just the right sound. That sounds like a GTO, idling beautifully. I just turned on the headlights and it looks like they open. I see light shining on the wall. And yes, they did open properly. This is an exciting car. Boy, I could see me on a summer day shifting through the gears in a nice red 4-speed GTO convertible. That just runs nice. Yeah, someone will be getting a beautiful car. Exciting car. Lots of options. Don't forget about the rally gauges, tilt wheel, console, remote mirror, power steering, power disc brakes. That's all optional stuff. And you got to have the hidden headlights. I love them. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of the car. If you have specific concerns, feel free to ask them. They're more than happy to help with that. They will also help with the financing, delivery, paperwork. They'll make it all real easy. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.